Welcome back to another episode of Living in El Paso. Today we're going to check out this beautiful home out in Horizon City. This home features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, over 2,800 square feet. And it's definitely a video that you want to check out because we're going to compare the difference between buying a brand new home and a resale. Are the benefits really worth it? Let's check it out. You might be wondering, what is the benefit of buying a brand new home versus a resale? And here's the reality. It all comes down to preference. Now, if you're trying to compare, one of the benefits could be that everything is already developed. For example, in this neighborhood, Horizon, the Walmart has already been done. We have a Gamescape that has been developed. There's a lot of money going into these areas, and you get to actually avoid some of the development. Second thing you want to consider is that you don't have to wait for the house to be built, which could definitely be a benefit. Now, as a reminder, one of the big benefits from buying a resale home is that you do not have to worry of adding additional things. Quick examples. This entire home has the window treatment done. That was about $10,000. Landscaping, that cost the owners about $8,000. However, that's because it was a DIY project. All the estimates they were getting were about $18,000. Then we have the water softener. That's another $7,000. These are things that start to add up. And if you're buying a brand new home, you're relocating already, you have all of these things that you're worried about. The last thing that you want is to have to add things. Coming home to something that's done is definitely a great feeling. Now, as a very important thing to consider is timelines. A lot of our clients do not have the luxury to wait for the house to be built. That's the reality. And if you're on a timeline, a home that's already ready to go can definitely help you out. And that's not to say you can't customize it, you can do the nice things that you want. I'll show you the backyard. It has the perfect layout for you to do a pool, which is one of the things that the owners were going to do. So everything is literally ready for you guys to already come in and renovate the things that you would like to make it your own. So as you can see in this backyard, there's definitely a ton of potential. And this is a reason I really wanted to make this video for you guys. There's a ton of clients that are asking, what are the key differences between buying a brand new home and a resale? And as we mentioned before, if you're looking to save some money, it could definitely help you. And I know some people might have reservations about it being used, but honestly, as long as you do your inspection, as long as you're protecting yourself and knowing what you're getting yourself into, I mean, there's always going to be things that can happen in a house. So buying a new home, there's still the likelihood that it could happen, okay? So now to recap this video, the 3 main reasons why you might want to consider buying a resale is obviously the purpose of making sure that everything in the area is established. Number 2, you're getting a lot more for your money, as we've talked about the features in this house. And of course, the last one, if you are in a time crunch. So if these are the things that you are considering, definitely make sure you put this on your list to make sure that that is something that you do not oversee. And of course, if you're interested in content like this, follow us for more content. We have been making our series that are vlog tours, and if you have been liking these, definitely give us more comments so that we can make sure that we customize to what you are interested in seeing in El Paso. With that being said, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.